Hey guys, what's up? This is Salman here from the CPU Guide, where you can find well-researched guides that actually work. Today we will be fixing Discord JavaScript error on Windows 11, so stay with me and we will get this sorted out. Before that, make sure to support us by subscribing our channel, liking our video and sharing it as well. Let's jump to our first fix, where we need to quit Discord. To do that, you need to go to the bottom right of your taskbar, click on the arrow to open the system tray. Look for the Discord icon, right click on it and click on Quit Discord. Another way is through Task Manager. Click Ctrl, Shift and Escape at once to launch Task Manager, search for Discord or simply press T on your keyboard to jump if it is there. Click on the process and then click on the End Task button to eliminate the process. Try launching Discord now, and if it doesn't, we have another fix too. The second fix is to delete Discord's cache by searching the app data folder. As cache gets outdated, it can cause some glitches. We would just delete the Discord data folder in this case by right-clicking on the Discord folder and deleting it permanently. Try launching Discord now, and it will take some time to launch as Discord will be initializing itself again. It might be downloading some components and it would be using in your internet too. In my case, it launches now, and if in your case it still doesn't launch, we have another fix that can definitely help you. Reinstalling Discord works too in some cases, so all you need is to search for remove, click on add or remove programs and search for Discord. Click on the three vertical dots and uninstall Discord. But before you reinstall Discord, you need to repeat solution 2 to permanently remove all of the data that Discord has on your computer, and this should definitely work for you. We have one final fix for you. Your Windows might be needing an update. All you need is to search for update and click on check for updates. This would check if your Windows is up to date and if it has some missing packages that Discord might be dependent upon. In my case, here are some updates that I would like to update, and after the updates are downloaded, you need to restart your computer and launch Discord again. Check if it works, and I hope the given fixes work out for you. If it did, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and if it didn't, let me know in the comments below and I will help you out. Until then, take care and goodbye.